Let's see, this is 1000 people, right? It's very, very fast. It scanned 1000 people. Hello to all of you. How to scan everyone who is following an account, Instagram any, that we want, to get access to all those client files. I will guide you now. We're going to use these features to scan, member and scan the people that are following of that one account. By the way, I'm already on Instagram. I want to scan people who are following an account. For example, I want to scan the account. Can you use this Hutch marketing? So here's a guy who's doing great marketing. Now I want to scan everything who is following you. Then we just need to get it. This is the user's path. As you can see above, this is the username of his on face on Instagram. And we're going to move to MKT Instagram. Let us we're going to use this feature. Scanning data means scanning users on Instagram. And we're going to select the scanning feature, people who are following. And we're going to tick that part, scan by user lead. So this is what we're going to do. This is an account, so that we can find. We'll paste the account here. Okay, finished and stay. Next, we will select the number of threads. The number of accounts you scan for is 4. And the maximum number. That's the number. What's the largest we can scan? Let's say we let it be 50,000. That. Let's say 10,000 to 50,000. Then we'll get the number of users. I can set this up as 10,000. Can 10,000 people go? Then we'll press select the accounts we want. We want to use select the scan account, then click start. Wait a minute and the software will filter. Print the accounts up. To be able to be well. Run scan feature. People who follow this account. And we just have to wait a little bit. The result will come out. And the accounts. This user data we can. Well, tapping in the direction of automatic messaging. Or we will follow. Or go make friends with people. It sends us. Send someone a message. According to the file you want. And this feature, it's going to apply to everything. The account you want to scan. Where it is, it'll scan it out for you. Here you can see it down here. It's returned the result. It's as if. At this point, it's going to scan somewhere. Let's see, this is 1000 people, right? It's very, very fast. It scanned 1000 people, and you can keep track of the speed here. It's dancing, it's not there. It's jumping numbers. That. And that's how it works. And that's how I did it. Scan all your followers of an account, any and if you want to use software to help you. Marketing as messaging. Follow friends. Or scanning user data. It could be texting me. So I can support you. And I'll put the link on WhatsApp. Telegram is on the screen. You can contact me at any time. Thank you for watching all the videos.